Welcome to Easy English Listening Channel. On this channel, we help you improve your English through simple, slow conversations. Every video, you will hear real everyday English. The speaking is slow and clear, so you can follow every word. Today, Claire and her son Leo visit a bookstore. Leo does not like books. But something interesting happens. You will also learn some useful English words today. Watch carefully and listen to every sentence. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What does browse mean? The answer is in the conversation today. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. Writing in English is great practice. Okay, let's begin.
Leo, we are here. This is the bookstore.
It's just a store full of books, Mom.
Just books? Leo, books are amazing.
I don't know. I never read books outside of school.
That's okay. Today, just look around. You don't have to buy anything.
Really? We don't have to buy anything?
Really, just look. Maybe something will catch your eye.
What does catch your eye mean?
It means something looks interesting to you. You see it, and you think, oh, what is that?
Oh. Like when I see a new video game in a store window?
Exactly like that. Come on, let's go inside.
Wow. This place is really big.
I know. I love this bookstore.
There are so many books. How do you find anything here?
Bookstores organize their books by section. A section is a part of the store for one type of book.
Like what kind of sections?
Look at those signs up there. That one says children's books. That one says science. And that one says comics and graphic novels.
Wait, comics? They have comics here?
Yes, they have comics here.
Can we go look at the comics section?
Of course, but first, let's walk around a little.
Okay, but then comics.
Yes, then comics. Look, Leo. This is the fiction section.
Fiction? What does that mean?
Fiction means stories that are not real. Someone made up the story. It did not really happen.
Oh, like adventure stories and fantasy?
Exactly. Harry Potter is fiction.
Oh, I know Harry Potter.
And this section is nonfiction. Nonfiction means books about real things. Real people, real events, real places.
So like, a book about dinosaurs?
Yes. Perfect example, Leo. A book about dinosaurs is nonfiction.
I knew that.
You're smarter than you think.
Mom. Wait. Look at that book. The cover has a rocket on it.
Oh, that one. Let's go see.
How to build a robot. Mom, this is about robots and science.
See? Something caught your eye.
Oh, that's what catch your eye means.
That's right. Good memory.
Can I read a little bit?
Of course, that's what bookstores are for. You can browse before you buy.
Browse? What does browse mean?
Browse means to look around slowly, without a plan. You look at different things and take your time. You don't have to buy anything. You just look.
Oh, so right now we are browsing.
Exactly. We are browsing the bookstore.
Mom, this book is really cool. It explains how robots work with pictures and everything.
I'm glad you like it.
How much is it?
Let's check the price tag. A price tag is the small label on a product that shows the price.
It says $14.99. Is that expensive?
For a good book? No, that's a fair price.
So, can we buy it?
I thought you didn't like books.
I said I don't read books outside of school. This is different. This is about robots.
Okay, we can buy it.
Yes, thank you, Mom.
Leo, I also want to find a book today. But I'm not sure which section it's in. Let's ask the staff.
The staff?
Staff means the people who work here. They work at the store and help customers find things.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a book about gardening. It's called The Simple Garden. Do you have it?
Let me check for you. One moment, please. Okay, good news. It is in stock. That means we have it in the store right now.
Oh, great.
It's in the hobbies and lifestyle section. That's on this floor, near the back of the store. Look for the green sign on the shelf.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Mom, what does in stock mean again?
It means the store has it right now. You can buy it today.
And if they don't have it?
Then it's out of stock. That means you have to wait or order it online.
In stock, out of stock. Got it. Is that the book?
Yes, here it is.
A garden book. Why do you want this, Mom?
Because I want to grow vegetables at home. Tomatoes, carrots, maybe some herbs.
Really? In our backyard?
Yes. I want to try.
Can I help?
Of course. I would love that.
Maybe we can grow giant tomatoes.
Let's start small first.
Okay. Small tomatoes first, then giant ones.
Let me read the back of the book. The text on the back of a book is called a blurb.
A blurb?
Yes. A blurb tells you what the book is about. It helps you decide if you want to buy it.
What does it say?
It says this book is for beginners who want to start a home garden with simple steps and easy tips.
That sounds perfect for you, Mom.
I think so too. I'm going to get it. Okay. We have our books. Let's go pay.
I'm not letting go of this.
I can see that. Hi, did you find everything okay today? Yes, thank you. Everyone was very helpful. Great. Is this everything for today? Yes, just these 2 books, please. Sure. Your total is $26.49. Will you be paying with cash or card? Card, please. Please tap or insert your card here. Okay. Payment complete, thank you. Do you have a membership card with us? No, I don't. Is it free to sign up? Yes, it's completely free. With a membership, you earn points every time you buy something. You can use your points to get discounts later. Oh, that sounds good. Maybe next time. Of course. Here are your books and your receipt. Thank you for coming in today. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too. Enjoy your books.
Mom, I really like this book.
I'm so happy to hear that.
I didn't think I would like a bookstore, but it was actually pretty cool.
See, you just needed to find the right book.
Yeah, the robot cover really caught my eye.
There's that phrase again.
I remembered it.
You did. Good job.
Mom, can we come back sometime?
Wait, you want to come back?
Maybe. They have a lot of comics I didn't look at.
Of course we can come back.
And maybe next time I'll find a book about space.
I would love that.
Mom, thank you for bringing me here today.
Anytime, Leo. Anytime.
Did you find the answer to today's question? What does browse mean? Browse means to look around slowly without a plan. You look at different things and take your time. Today, we also learned some other useful words. Fiction. Fiction means stories that are not real. Non-fiction. Non-fiction means books about real things. In stock. In stock means the store has it right now. Out of stock. Out of stock means the store does not have it right now. A blurb. A blurb is the short text on the back of a book. It tells you what the book is about. Staff. Staff means the people who work at a store. Price tag. A price tag shows the price of a product. Please write your answer in the comments. What does browse mean? Writing in English is great practice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.